The power of eye contact and how to use it. Eye contact is one of the most powerful tools of nonverbal communication. Whether you're looking to build trust, show confidence, or forge deeper connections, mastering the art of eye contact can change the way people perceive and respond to you. In this video, we'll explore why eye contact is so impactful and how you can use it effectively in your daily life. Why is eye contact so powerful? Eye contact isn't just about seeing someone, it's about being seen. When you lock eyes with someone, you're signaling that you're present, engaged, and interested in what they're saying. It's a form of silent connection that transcends words. Here's why eye contact matters so much. 1. Builds trust. Studies show that maintaining eye contact makes people perceive you as honest and trustworthy. 2. Enhances emotional connection. Eye contact activates areas of the brain associated with empathy and understanding, fostering a sense of connection. 3. Conveys confidence. Confident people tend to make eye contact more often, signaling self-assurance and authority. 4. Increases influence. Leaders, speakers, and influencers use eye contact to captivate audiences and make their words resonate. How to use eye contact effectively. Now that you understand its power, let's dive into how to use eye contact like a pro. Here are some practical tips. 1. Be intentional with your gaze. Don't just look, connect. When speaking to someone, hold their gaze for about 4-5 seconds at a time. This shows attentiveness without making the interaction uncomfortable. Let your gaze break naturally, then reconnect. 2. Follow the 50-70th rule. When you're speaking, aim for eye contact about 50% of the time to avoid coming across as intense. When you're listening, increase it to about 70% to show genuine interest and engagement. 3. Pair eye contact with positive body language. Eye contact alone can feel intimidating if not accompanied by open and friendly gestures. Pair it with a warm smile with a relaxed posture to make the interaction feel natural. 4. Use the triangle technique. When speaking to someone, imagine a triangle connecting their eyes and mouth. Shift your gaze naturally between these points to maintain engagement without staring. 5. Respect cultural differences. In some cultures, prolonged eye contact can be seen as disrespectful or confrontational. Always consider the context and cultural norms when using eye contact. When to use eye contact. Eye contact is a universal tool, but here are 3 scenarios where it truly shines. 1. Building trust. In one-on-one conversations, whether personal or professional, consistent eye contact builds rapport and makes the other person feel valued. 2. Commanding attention. If you're giving a presentation or speaking to a group, scanning the room and holding brief moments of eye contact with individuals can help you connect with your audience and maintain their attention. 3. Flirting and attraction. Eye contact plays a huge role in romantic attraction. A lingering gaze followed by a smile is a subtle but powerful way to show interest. Eye contact plays a huge role in romantic attraction. A lingering gaze followed by a smile is a subtle but powerful way to show interest. Common mistakes to avoid. While eye contact is a powerful tool, it's important to avoid these common pitfalls. Overdoing it, too much eye contact can feel intense or even creepy. Maintain a balance to keep interactions comfortable. Looking away too often, constantly breaking eye contact can make you seem nervous or disinterested. Ignoring context, in group settings, avoid focusing on just one person for too long. It can make others feel excluded. How to practice eye contact. Eye contact may feel unnatural at first, but like any skill, it gets easier with practice. Here's how you can improve. Start small. Practice holding eye contact with friends, family, or colleagues for a few seconds longer than usual. Use a mirror. Look into your own eyes while speaking to yourself. This helps build comfort and awareness. Engage with strangers. Make brief eye contact with cashiers, baristas, or people passing by. It's a low-pressure way to practice. Unlock the power of eye contact. Eye contact is more than just looking. It's about connecting. By mastering this subtle yet impactful skill, you'll not only communicate more effectively, but also leave lasting impressions on those you interact with. Whether it's in your personal life, your career, or even in moments of romance, the power of eye contact is undeniable. So start practicing today and watch how this small change transforms the way people perceive and respond to you. I would love to hear what you think about the power of eye contact. Have you ever experienced its impact in a meaningful way? Let me know in the comments.